Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about this BB cream right here. And it's a Korean BB cream called Missha, and it's like a very high coverage BB cream. It comes in 5 or 6 shades. The one I have is honey beige number 27, and yes, I'll admit it's a little bit darker for my skin because this cream was given to me by my sister-in-law, and I didn't had option to choose color. But maybe next time I buy this, I'll get it in natural beige. That would be more suited to my skin tone. So there are a lot of claims on this box, and it says that it improves your skin with time, with regular use, and it brightens and removes wrinkle. It take care of all the acne spots and all. So there are a lot of claims right here, and I haven't tested those out, but with first use I must say that the coverage is so full coverage. Like, I haven't got this much coverage with any of the BB creams out here. So I really love the coverage, and now I'll just move on to the clip where I'm applying it on my face. So guys, here is the box for this cream, and here is the tube I got. I think it's 20 milliliter packaging, and it has all the information on the tube, and it's a squeezy tube. There is no pump or anything. And let's see how the product looks like. So here's the BB cream, and I clearly took too much of it, guys. Just take half of the amount for your full face, and you can see it's very thick, and the set was very faint. It was not strong or overpowering. And here I'm blending it with my fingers. You'll see I'm facing hard time blending it, and once it was all blended, it looked very beautiful and natural on my face. And that's how it covered all of my scars. So guys, that's how the actual tube looks like. I have 20 milliliter version. They have 50 mils also, and you can get it at Target and eBay and Amazon. Personally, if I get a product on Target, Ulta or Sephora, I stop myself from getting it on Amazon, even if they are a little cheaper there, because it's really difficult to tell which product is real and which is fake. So my safe bet would be getting it from the store like Target, Ulta, CVS, Walgreens, wherever it's available. You can just Google it. I have seen it on Target, I have seen it on Ulta, and rest like you can Google, and I think it retails around $22 there. So that's how the tube looks like, and it has like squeezy thing, a pointy thing from where the product comes out. As you have seen in the clip, I applied a little bit too much. I got carried away, but you little bit goes a long way. And you saw how it covered all my blemishes, like it was miracle. And my first impressions for this cream are it's little bit oily. I have oily combination skin, and on my skin it looks little bit oily, but not like overly oily. But I would like to see in Florida's heat how it lasts me for 8 hours, whether it becomes very oily or it stays like a glossy or shiny on my face. So that would be interesting to see. And now I'll be wearing it for rest of my day, and I'll be coming back and checking back with you guys and update how this cream is doing. So the time now is 9 in the morning, and I'll be checking back with you guys after some time and updating you. Welcome back guys, and it's 12 in the noon, and that's how my makeup looks like. And on camera I think it's looking little bit oily, but in real life it's very natural, and it do have a stick to it. I haven't set it with powder or anything, but that's the whole point of using BB cream, so that you need not to apply powder or anything like that. So I do feel it's a little bit sticky, but it's looking very natural, and it's looking beautiful in natural light. But on camera I don't know, it coming out to be little oily. So it's been 3 hours now, roughly 3 hours. I have it on my face, and I was recording a lot of videos back to back to back, and it's still on. It's not breaking from anywhere, and it's still covering my blemishes and all. So Let's check back and see how this product is doing little later on. Welcome back guys, and that's how my BB cream looks like, and it's around 5 in the evening. It's almost 8 hours I have it on, and frankly I wanted to get rid of it even before I filmed this video. It's looking very oily and it's like rubbing off, and it's not giving me any coverage right now. So I feel that it's good for like the days when you're not wearing too much makeup or too much over it, just to like give even tone to your skin. But it's not good underneath various other products like face products and heavy makeup. It's not good for that. It's just too oily. But for the days where you want your skin to look naturally healthy and glowy, you can use it. So it's not bad, it's amazing. It's a BB cream, so it's something you need to use daily, but you cannot replace your foundation with it. So those were my thoughts on this BB cream, and that was all for this video guys. I'll catch you later in my other video. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.